stop eating dinner from today. Prepare this drink for just 7 days and see what happens. It will reduce your belly, reduce intestinal inflammation, boost immunity, detoxify your body, and, what's more, it's delicious. Watch to the end and you'll thank me and say, "Is your belly big today?" To start, cut an apple into small pieces. If you prefer, you can use a green apple. Apples are low in calories and high in fiber, which helps keep you feeling full. Tell me, lady, what bothers you most about your body today? Apples also contain antioxidants and other compounds that are beneficial to your health. They are considered one of the best fruits for regulating our digestive system. They help stimulate the kidneys and liver by retaining pectin. They are antioxidant thanks to malic and tartaric acid. Cut the apple into small pieces and put it to one side as we move on to the second ingredient. But first, tell me what city you're watching from so I can send you a big hug at the end of the video. Now we need 2 bananas. Cut the bananas into small pieces and, if you've made it this far, comment on the banana below. Bananas are a fruit that has many health benefits, such as providing the body with energy, lowering blood pressure, preventing muscle cramps, and increasing serotonin levels, fighting depression, and improving mood. And guys, what would you change about your body today? How's your belly? Do you have fat on your legs and back? Tell me, miss. These benefits are due to the fact that bananas are rich in carbohydrates, fiber, potassium, and magnesium, as well as B vitamins and vitamin C. The combination of these ingredients is amazing, creating a drink with numerous health benefits and delicious at the same time. Now add the ingredients to a blender, along with a glass of milk and 2 cups of oats. Blend for a few minutes. These ingredients can form a balanced smoothie that provides essential nutrients, fiber, and energy without adding too many calories. Studies have shown that its antioxidants have protective properties, reducing the risk of developing degenerative diseases such as cancer, stroke, and cardiovascular disease. And don't forget to share this video with your friends or with that friend of yours who has a flabby, unflattering belly. I'm sure she'll love it, my dear. Not to mention that you'll be helping her with this calorie miracle. Do you eat dinner in the evening, so-and-so? You can have this smoothie instead of dinner or, if you prefer, every morning to get your day off to a good start during the week. The tips we've shared here are a complement to your health, but always remember to consult your family doctor. That's all the information for today. What did you think of today's smoothie? Can I count on you? I'll stop here. Good night and a big kiss. Stay well and God bless you all.